Meaning of goodbye to all that.
Goodbye to all that.
Goodbye to all that.
Goodbye to all that.
Goodbye to all that. Goodbye to all that is a phrase that was popularized by the English writer Robert Graves in his 1929 autobiography of the same name. The book describes his disillusionment with the values and ethical norms of English society, particularly in the aftermath of World War I. For Graves, goodbye to all that represents a farewell to his youthful idealism and an acknowledgement of the harsh realities of life. The phrase has since come to symbolize the end of an era or a moment of significant change in one's life.